Education in South Africa's rural communities is facing a quiet crisis. We often talk about the lack of resources, but the deeper, harder truth is a severe shortage in specialised training. And when our teachers aren't equipped to succeed, their students don't stand a chance. While I was at university, I travelled to a school in Mthatha, in South Africa's Eastern Cape, to run a physics workshop. When creating the content for the workshop, we assumed the students would be able to use rulers and protractors, so we could focus on the physics. But when we arrived, we discovered that even the matric science teachers didn't know how to use a protractor, and some of them struggled with a ruler. It wasn't apathy, these teachers were incredibly dedicated, but they were the product of the same broken system they were trying to fix. That experience has stayed with me. We're proposing an AI teaching assistant called LocalMind. A lightweight AI model is fine-tuned directly on their textbooks. Because the model is small, it doesn't need a massive data center. It can run entirely offline on cheap refurbished computers. The learning interface is accessed via a local Wi-Fi hotspot, so an entire classroom of teachers and students can connect using basic devices, their phones or computers, no app install required, entirely free of internet costs and connections or cloud dependencies. LocalMind is a localized knowledge hub that will empower both sides of the chalkboard. Our goal for this phase is to build the proof of concept, a fine-tuned model narrowly scoped to grade 10 to 12 mathematics, while establishing the minimum hardware requirements for deployment. From there, we'll take this prototype to 1 or 2 public schools here in Johannesburg to gather direct feedback from students and educators. Let's put the future of learning into the classrooms that need it most. Thank you.